Try a hot toddy. Yep, we're going to put the beverage in. And there's water and maple syrup in there. And did we put the chips in the smoker?
Yes, but
did.
where's the fire? Here it is.
I don't know.
I got it.
Okay. All right. We were gifted this cocktail smoker kit to give our honest feedback on it.
I would assume that you could probably put that lid on there now.
Hopefully it's smoking down underneath there, but we don't have a clear glass anymore, so we can't tell.
Well, it said wait 30 seconds, right?
Stir until it dissolves. Smoke the drink. Allow it to settle on top of the drink for 10 to 20 seconds.
Okay, well, it's probably been about that.
We didn't, yeah.
Okay, who's going to taste it? Do the taste test.
Do you want to?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Ready.
There you go.
Okay.
Ooh, that was a good.
I see
saw
smoke in there, yes. How's that?
That's
Does
better.
it taste like a hot toddy?
Yeah.
That's
You
actually
like it?
yeah. I could taste that one.
Well, it also has the sweet of the
No,
syrup
but I
in it.
could
Mhm.
I could
You could
taste the
taste the
smoke on that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah, that's actually
really
very
good.
Yeah.
That actually, compared to everything.
But
of course that one had
Because it tastes like candy.
Yeah, maple syrup in it. Of course it tastes good. All right, good stuff. That one worked out pretty well.